Hello y'all, Ice Master here again with another video. Today we're opening up Spies in Disguise on Blu-ray and DVD. Now before I start, I just want to say this is an older movie. It came out I guess I think it was 6 years ago. A little more than 6 years ago. You know, I'm recording this in March, by the way, of 2026, so yeah. But anyways, I just picked this up not too long ago at Entertainment Mart, and that was pretty good condition. And I didn't already have the movie, so I thought, why not buy it? And also, this is Blue Sky's last ever theatrically released movie. Like, this is the last one before Disney has unfortunately shut down the studio back 5 years ago, 2021. But yeah, just gonna get right into it. So here's the back of what it looks like. Whoops, I am sorry, I keep fumbling here. So here's the back. Looking pretty clean. We got the side with Will Ferrell bird on the side. No, or Will Smith. Did I say Will Ferrell? Facepalm myself. But yeah, Will Smith bird on the side. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me today, but anyways. But yeah, this movie had Will Smith and Tom Holland. I feel like that's the only time they'll ever be in the movie now, considering we all know what Will Smith did at the Oscars a few years ago. But yeah. Anyways, we're just not gonna mention that. So let's get right into it. And I'm happy to have this finally. Now, this isn't the best Blue Sky movie, but wanted to have it because it is still a fun time. I did enjoy it myself. But yeah. Alright. So here we are. Get into it. And that came off relatively clean. No stuck plastic on the side, which I appreciate. And I'm gonna get right into it. I don't even know the digital code will work, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. And it's right there. Don't worry about trying to claim it, because if I even able to claim it, I already claimed it once I uploaded this. But here we go with the Blu-ray and the DVD. Yeah, pretty basic. Nothing exciting going on. I wish a lot of these discs have more cool artwork instead of just a logo and a basic background color. But that would be doing a little bit too much sometimes, but it's still a nice thing. But yeah. Anyways, that was my quick unboxing of, Spies in Disguise on Blu-ray and DVD. So thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. I am gonna be doing a little few more unboxings coming up soon. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in another video. Peace out.